It's Amy with my Publix Coupon Buddy here. A couple hot offers I wanted to go over with you that I found today while at Publix. If your store takes Target as a competitor, there is an amazing deal today. Friday is the last day to when the green flyer expires, and the Target coupon expires. So you have until today to do this deal. Alright, so the deal is buy 4 Gatorade. They are on sale 2 for $10. Buy 2 Propel there. On sale 2 for $6. Use 2 of the Green Flyer coupons, which you get the Propel for free when you buy 2 Gatorade. And use, if you have the $1 off 2 Gatorade hang tags, use those. 2 of those, they're $1 off 2, you're buying 4 Gatorades. And use 1 of the Target competitor coupon for $10 gift card when you spend $50. I did this deal probably 6 or 7 times today. Each time I did it came to a different amount. But the final cost, it came to $2 each item, which is an awesome deal on Gatorade. It depends also if your store gives you a Target gift card or takes the $10 off. Like I had one store that took $10 off, and then I had another store that gave me $10 back. But your total should come to $18 or $8 depending on how your store does it. Then submit to Stocking Spree and you will get 8 points credited to your Stocking Spree for the Gatorades. You're not going to get any points for the Propel because you got them free with a Publix coupon. So, awesome deal. Again, 2/1 is the last day to do the deal. So that's deal number 1 I found. Deal number 2 is Bolthouse Farms are on sale. BOGO. The big bottles. And in your last week's inserts, there is a $1 off 1 coupon for the Bolthouse Farms. It makes them, I believe it's like, I think they're $5.99. Makes them like $3.99 for 2, which is an awesome deal on Bolthouse Farms. Then there is another great deal on Gerber. Trying to find for you. Gerber formula. It's the ready to use concentrate. Oh, well, here, since I just passed that one, we'll do this one. The Cordicin HP Cough and Cold is regular price of $5.29 this week, ending 2/5 or 2/6. It's on sale 20% off. Let's pull the deal up. It's on sale 20% off, which brings the price down to $4.23. After the 20% off, there is a $2 off 1 Purple Flyer coupon, and there is a $2 off 1 manufacturer coupon that you can stack that with in your SS127, making them 23 cents a piece. Phenomenal deal there. I'll put the link to the breakdown below. Additionally, we've got Stonefire Nan Flatbread. BOGO, it's an unadvertised sale. BOGO at $2.99. There is a $1 printable coupon. I'll put the link to that breakdown below for you. Makes them 50 cents a piece. And then lastly, we've got this Gerber deal, which is an awesome deal. The Gerber concentrate is on a regular price $5.39. So this deal is good until the coupon is expired because it's a regular price deal. There is a printable coupon for $5 off any one Gerber formula, so you pay just 39 cents per container. That coupon went away last night and it came back this morning, so I'm not sure how long it'll last, so I would definitely hurry over and print that coupon before it goes away again. I'll put the links to all of these deals below in the description of the video, and that will give you all the pertinent information like when they expire and so on. Happy couponing!